Hello everybody, Porch Light here, and we are in full swing. Look at that, we got the fans going, both of them, and it was going as soon as I came out. And everything growing up in here, and we are doing fine. Get a shot of that beautiful bean footage. Look at that, yeah, look at that, beautiful. As y'all see, we had some snow a couple days ago, and now it's about gone. But here's today's video, y'all. So everybody knows, well, y'all know that we have a rabbit. You good? You chilling? Everything all right? Okay. So with rabbits, you have to feed rabbits. But what I do is, instead of giving him the whole stalk, I cut the bottoms off, and you guessed it. This is another Grow My Scraps video. Trash! Trash! And I've been doing this, for a while now, because, normally he would get his stuff from out here. But, sometimes you have to delegate food sources to the store simply because, don't have enough to feed a fat bunny. Needless to say, I've been sticking my scraps in here, and look, y'all. When I tell you there was very little greenery left in them, that was the case. Even after snow, a couple days, now all of a sudden it's popping up. So let's go ahead and take a look at some I put in a while back. Now I think I may need to flip this switch here. I don't know. Yeah, I'll flip it that way. All right, so I can't remember when I put these in, but as you see, they're in there, y'all. Not coming out. That means it's more likely rooted. And now I got lettuce. Look at that. Great example. Look at that. You can tell that one's in there. Yeah, got a shot. So yeah, y'all. Oh, and this one here, I may want to pull that one out. That's been in there for a while. I ain't done nothing. But as you see, it's just another example of how you can grow for free. And you don't have to waste nothing. Okay? Just want to wait in here. It is winter time. Middle of February, literally. And yeah, that's all I got, y'all. So I just want to encourage y'all to look at your waste products. Look at what y'all got going. Oh, sorry. Look at what y'all got going to make sure y'all not throwing valuable. Okay, so I'm going to have to piece this video together. At any rate, make sure y'all not throwing valuable stuff away, because you can grow it and it'll give you food. And yeah. All right, y'all. Well, another shot of that beautiful bean footage. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah. And as usual, Porch Light out.